Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Sanjay and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. It's 5:30 in the morning and I'm super excited because I'm traveling to my hometown from Delhi and it's after 5 years.
I'm hopeful that you had a pleasant flight flying with us today morning from Delhi to Guwahati. And hopefully you'll give us opportunity to serve you again in future as well. From all of us from AirAsia, thank you very much to fly with us.
गुवाहाटी के लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बोरदोलोई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई में आपका स्वागत है। आपसे निवेदन है कि जब तक हमारे कप्तान सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बता करके आप अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें।
Hey guys, I hope you all had a pleasant flight. We are in Guwahati right now and the time is 11:30 a.m. For our onward journey, we have to now board a train, so we are heading towards Kamakhya railway station. It would take approximately 5 hours to cover a distance of 170 kilometers to my hometown. At last I have reached my destination Rangapara, but my travel is not yet over. I have to take a taxi to my tea garden, which is again a 5 kilometers ride from the railway station. Time is now 9 p.m. and it took 16 hours for me to reach my hometown from Delhi. But the most exciting part is my parents does not know that I'm coming.